The magpie robin is a small, pattering bird known for its melodious song, commonly found in South and Southeast Asia. It thrives in diverse habitats such as forests, gardens, and urban areas. It is easily recognizable by its black and white plumage in males and grayish tones in females. The bird is omnivore, feeding on insects, fruits, and seeds. Magpie robins are territorial and are often seen perched on tree branches or hopping on the ground. They are celebrated in many cultures for their charming songs, especially during the breeding season.